Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will solve the very famous LeetCode question number 66, which is a plus one. So we will first explain the problem statement. After that, explain the example, and after that, we will step by step go through the C++ approach, C++ solution. Uh, so, uh, so in this question, you are given a large integer represented integer of digits, where a digit of I is the ith digit of the integer, and digit are ordered uh, from most significant list to least significant in the left to right order. In simple way, we are given an integer of array which is range to 0 to 9, and elements are stored inside that element. We add plus 1 at the last index of the element. So let's take an example. In the example 1, we take an array 1 2 3. So inside the array, the elements are considered to 0 to 9 range, and last index of the element we added plus 1 and return that element, return the entire uh, array. And example 2, as we can see 4321, uh, that element is range to be 0 to 9. uh, so we add 1 at the last index of array. It's So now output is 4322. So so, so in mind code, my approach is that we started from the last data, because that that's the way we added one. Uh, if the last digit is less than 9, so we added one and returned that digit. But if it's 9, so it turns into a 0, and we carry over the 1 to the next digit. So we write the code. First of all, we store the size. We store the size. After that, we started a for loop to the last index and end up with the first index. Inside that for loop, we use if condition. Test check that digit of I is less than 9 or not. If it is less than 9, so simply added 1 and increase 1 by 1 and return the digits. Otherwise, digit digits is going to be 0. So digits insert digits, or we can 1 return digit. Sorry. So we run the code. So you can see our code is successfully completed and every task is successful. So that's it for the video. Thank you for the watching the video.